Hello, my name is Haraldus and this is my £10 BMW E46. So I've managed to get this car by swapping my old Honda Civic for it and only paying the guy additional £10. The problem with the Civic was that it had a blown radiator, so I was left with two choices to either scrap the car or fix it. So I took off the bumper and I saw that the car had some crash damage that I didn't see when buying it. My initial reaction was to go and look for another car, so I started looking on Facebook Marketplace and I found the BMW. At first I thought that this car would last me a month and then I would have to get something else, but now I am daily driving this car for over a year and a half and I can honestly say it's a really great and fun car for the money. As it is an old car, I had to change a bunch of parts for safety and performance reasons. In the next section I will break down the total of how much I spent on this car. £10 for the eBay gear shift knob, £77 for the stereo, 40 quid for a new set of spark plugs, £160 for a set of brake discs, £60 for a set of brake pads, £20 for a set of new brake lines, I also had to get a new fuel filter as it hasn't been changed in a very long time. I also got a set of 4 ignition coils. So in total I spent around £600 on this car. All of the work on the car was done by myself or a family member, so that's why I'm not counting the labor cost. When you look at the logo of the car, you can really tell that it's been through a lot. The bonnet had some rust patches, which are covered with stickers. So why would you daily a 20-year-old BMW? Well, because
I don't want peace. I want problems, always!
Like and subscribe if you found the video helpful, and see you again in the next one.